I'll admit, the first time I needed to hard reset my iPhone X, I was stumped. On older iPhones, it involves the home button. But with the iPhone X, what do you do? Hey guys, Rex here with iDrop News, and in this video I'll show you how to hard reset the iPhone X. Now, you shouldn't resort to hard rebooting your phone all that much, but on occasions, when your iPhone freezes up, it may be your only choice. But don't be nervous, a hard reset should get everything back to normal. To hard reboot the iPhone X, there are a few steps which need to be performed fairly quickly. First, press and quickly release the volume up button, and then quickly do the same to the volume down button. Last, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This usually takes about 5 to 8 seconds or so. And then, once the iPhone boots back up, everything should be running good as new. Alright guys, I hope that video helped out a bit, and I'll be back soon with another one, but until then, keep it locked to iDrop News. Later.